Hello besties, welcome back to Down for Glam. It's your girl Gigi, and as you can see, we have got our practice hand out and we are going to sculpt some nails. Ouchie, did you hear me hit my knee? Because I did. It wasn't really bad though. I've done it way worse than that. So all I'm doing is putting on forms and making sure it's nice and even, pinching the top and bringing it together in the back. And these don't really fit her, so I just like to take the middles and fold them over in the back to keep everything nice excuse me, nice and tight, because I'm sure you know how annoying it is to have a form that doesn't do what you want it to do. Okay, so here's the deal, guys. I have not been able to sculpt nails in a while, and I really wanted the first set of nails that I do to be my own nails for you, and all I could do was the wow, I just totally had the biggest brain fart. Was the overlay. And I still don't have the product that I want to use. It's on the way, or it's supposed to be on the way. Excuse me, which is its own story. But it hasn't gotten here yet, and so I just thought, hey, I need to practice anyway. I'm just gonna do a little set with the Yayoge here, and you know, hopefully make something cute for you guys to enjoy. So what I'm gonna do from here is go ahead and speed the video up and craft a set of nails and speak to you a little in a voiceover and watch a movie while I do the nails. I just felt like that was not right, but I guess it's as good as I'm gonna get it. Anyway, guys, enjoy the video and we will see what we come up with. You know, in the future, this is the past Gigi talking to you, so in the future, you already know what set I'm gonna do. I am personally just gonna wing it and see what happens. So we'll see what I come up with, and we'll see you on the other end. Enjoy. Okay guys, what we're gonna do now is just sculpt some nails, and from the thumbnail, like I said, you already know what I'm sculpting, but right here I'm just sort of deciding that we're gonna do two nails in this nudie sort of color, and which is by Yayoge. It's their builder gel, and I believe this is soft pink. Although to me that's not really very pink, it's more of a beigey color. I'm a little off camera here and I'm sorry about that, but it does get better. So there's going to be two nails that are full nude and two nails that are French. And we are going to add some cool stamping and just make a cute little set. Really, I just wanted to practice my sculpting because it's been a while since I sculpted out a full set. And hopefully my new products will be coming soon and I will be sculpting on myself. So I thought, since I've got time and I'm waiting, maybe throw in a little practice before we get crazy, right? Okay, so that's what we're doing here, just practicing. I'm actually really happy with how the set came out. Once I was finished, there was other things I thought maybe I could do to it, but honestly, it's super simple. I think you could wear it for just about any reason. It's just really, really simple and very pretty and classic. And I hope you guys enjoy this set just as much as I enjoyed creating it. As you can see, I'm struggling here just a little bit. I should have remembered that those fingers bend down. Okay, now I did sculpt that other nail, the full nail, off camera. And now we're just making a little nail bed out of that same color, that nude color. And we're going to make the tips out of Cover Pink, which is a much lighter pink shade. And so that'll be our French. And I'm going to do both the beds before I do the actual nail tips. And here I'm just cleaning it up. I felt like I had really messed up the shape that I wanted. So I was just pulling away some of the product and then coming back in to clean up that shape a little bit, just to give me more of that sort of oval kind of shape. This is my first, like I said, my first set back. So I didn't want to do anything too crazy. I mean, my heart wanted to, but I just thought it would be smart to go with something a little less hard to do the very first time out. So, but I didn't want to, you know, just wimp out either. I wanted to do something that takes a little effort, and I think a pretty French was just the right thing. It fit the bill. Just the right thing. And I did show you doing the second one. I'm not sure why. I just had pretty good footage of it. And I was out of frame for some of the other stuff. So I just thought, why not show it? And I love how you can see the ring light in there in that nice smooth surface. It's very self-leveling, the Yayoge. But it's really soft. So you do have to work super quick with it. Otherwise, you do end up with it running all over the place. And I did have that problem this time. There was a bit of filing on the underside there because I was not moving as fast as I should have been to be working with gels. You can take a lot more time if you're doing poly gels. I'm just coming in with a little bit more of that cover pink to just thicken up that tip and give us the look that we are going for. That pretty coffin-y shape or ballerina shape. Sometimes you see like charts of shapes where the coffin and the ballerina are called the same thing. Sometimes they're called they try to say that they're different things, and I guess in a certain way, if you do it specific ways, they do look a little different. But to me, they're pretty much the same. What do you guys think? Do you think they're different shapes or no? So we're just coming in with a little bit more because I just felt like that was not, it didn't have enough. That sometimes when you put the gel, do you notice it's like got a little dip in the middle? You need to come in and fill that in. You don't want to have a wonky nail that's going to break because you didn't have good structure on it. That's no good. No good. I tried to take just a little away, took too much. Gonna have to fix that. And it's okay that I got a little bit on the nail bed because we will be filing that away. No problem. Now it's time to do a little bit of filing, and after that, which was done clearly off camera, I'm coming in with some top coat on top of some base coat. That shine you see is base coat, just to make it a nice smooth surface for me to stamp on. And you see we've got some geometric shapes and lines down there, and that's what we're doing. We're just going to do some nice pretty line work on here without me having to do the actual line work. And again, I'm sorry guys for a little dip off camera, but you're gonna get to see it here in a second. I'm sorry you guys. I'm just cleaning it up a little bit and making sure it's nice, but that is the shapes that we went with. And I want it to only be on the nail bed, not on the tip. So we're just cleaning that up and cleaning up the little bits that were extra. Because we didn't use the whole stamp, actually. I only used half of it. Because it's a little thicker than that, but I just wanted it to be going down one side. You see right there, it's a little thicker. But I didn't use the whole thing. I just used part of it. And so we're coming in with that gel again and filling that in. And now I've already picked it up, and we are going to stamp it down. And it only fits halfway, So we are going to come in and try our best to match it. And we do a pretty decent job. And there you go. Not too bad, right? So now we're coming in with that final top coat. Guys, please let me know in the comment section below. Do you like this set? Is this something that you would wear? What would you change? What would you like to be different? Can't wait to hear from you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please stay tuned because there are for sure some reveal shots coming up. Thanks again, you guys. You have a wonderful, wonderful weekend. And we will see you next week with lots more nail art videos. Here we go. Here's the set. Bye, guys. We'll see you next time.